sitting here with El Patron, and you know what? I don't even know this answer.
Yeah.
And sir,
Yes.
why the fuck did you stop doing Facebook Lives at night? It was like a decompression time for a lot of us watching you. And at the end of the day, sir, you have not done one since 2018. What the fuck is going on?
I know, you're one of the many few that call me all the time and DM me why did I stop doing the Facebook Lives. I just thought maybe like it was just too much, like it's in people's face. And I said, let me pull out a little bit more and maybe just not be so much on the Facebook Lives. So I kind of got a little comfortable with it. You know what I'm saying? And
what, not doing it? Or
well,
what do you mean?
You know how
got
it
lazy?
is. I didn't get lazy, but people get complacent. Remember, it's a lot of freaking work, man. I do. Last week it was 70 hours on social media.
Wow.
My screen time says. And so my wife looked at those and was like, "You think you're doing good?" I said, "I don't know." I said, it's just I have a passion for it, but I don't know. Maybe should I get back to the Facebook Lives? What do you think?
I just gotta tell you, like, like I was working at night, and then you would come on, and it would almost tell me what to do.
Yeah.
In a sense, but I think for a lot of us in the industry who work hard all day, and it's like 8 o'clock,
right,
and it's like you're winding down, and you tell them how your day is going, and then they tell you how theirs is going. It's almost like a Dr. Phil session. Seriously.
Yeah. So kind of like therapy.
Like
therapeutic.
I mean, as crazy as it sounds,
therapeutic.
It was. Yeah. Like, shit, I had a great day. Shit, I had a bad day. I don't know. It was like a whole big mix.
I started doing the short videos, so I thought maybe that kind of like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I get a lot of hits on a lot of engagement on Instagram with the short videos, but I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Comment below and tell me what you guys want me to do. If you guys want me to go back to live, it is a little, because it's at the end of the night. We got to close shop. So I got to stay an extra hour for work. I don't care. I do it, you know what I'm saying? Because I love doing it for you guys. But maybe I should get back into my Facebook Lives. So comment below if you say I don't want you to see your face at nighttime. I'll respect that. But if you say, hey, you know what? I didn't mind hearing from you in the morning.
You don't have to do it every day. Just once in a while.
Yeah, even Saturday mornings, remember?
Yeah.
I used to start my Saturday mornings with a Facebook Live, usually after Sean Hayes. Shout out to Sean. He's back on these Facebook Lives. I guess the answer that you're looking for is I pulled away, maybe like like stronger than the comeback, like you know what I'm saying, like kind of like come back. So maybe that's what it was, guys. So by the way, this was not planned. We just
no, I actually just wanted to know myself because I was like, what's going on?
Since we document everything on film, why
just
not
press record?
Yeah. So just let me know what you guys think. All right. Appreciate the input. Whether good or bad, guys, I'm looking to grow, so I don't care. Thank you.